Welcome to one kanji a day. Today, a special one. You land in Japan, you step into a giant station, and every sign is a wall of kanji. Let us turn that wall into a map.
This is the part that scares me. Tokyo stations look like a maze.
10 characters. That is all you need to find your line, your train, and the right way out. Let us get you moving.
Okay, first sign. The whole building has this one character on it.
That is eki, station. You see it right after a place name like Tokyo Eki, Tokyo Station. Ekimai means the area right in front of the station, where your hotel directions usually start.
So a place name plus this character means the station for that place. Inside, there are colored lines everywhere, all marked with this character.
That is Sen, a train line. The loop around Tokyo is the Yamanote-sen. The bullet train is the Shinkansen, the new trunk line.
There are so many colors though. How do I not get lost?
Each line has its own color on every map, sign, and platform. Pick your line's color and just follow that one thread through the station. Now, getting out. This character means mouth, but in a station it means exit or gate.
Just one exit, right? I will walk out and figure it out.
That is the trap. Big stations have many exits, sometimes a 10-minute walk apart. This is kuchi, or gucci in a compound, like the north exit or the central exit.
So I should know which exit before I even leave the platform. And the exits are named somehow.
By direction. This is Kita, north. The north exit is Kitaguchi. The same character names Hokkaido, the northern island.
So my hotel saying north exit means I look for this exact kanji.
Exactly. Match the character your hotel gave you to the one on the overhead sign and walk toward it.
If that is north, I am guessing there is a south.
There is. This is minami, south. Minamiguchi is the south exit, and namboku means north and south together.
Good. Opposite of north. 2 down. These next two look like they could be the other directions.
This one is higashi, east. Here is a trick. Tokyo itself means eastern capital, written with this very character. Higashiguchi is the east exit.
So, the city name basically teaches me the direction.
It does. Once you spot this character in Tokyo, you will read it on the east exit everywhere. And the last direction. This is Nishi, west. Nishiguchi, the west exit. Kansai, the Osaka region, uses it too.
So, north, south, east, west. 4 kanji, and I can read any exit?
Every exit board is just those 4 directions, plus the gate character. Learn the 4, and the maze opens up.
That is way less scary than it looked. Now, the actual train. The front shows a place name, and then this character.
That is Yuki, also read Iki, bound for Tokyo. Yuki means this train ends at Tokyo. Always check the destination before you board.
So the character tells me where the train is going, not where I am standing.
Right. Read the place name plus this character, and you know the train's final stop.
Some trains say they are faster. How do I tell?
This is kyuu, hurry, express. Kyuko is an express that skips small stops. Tokyu, limited express, skips most, and sometimes costs a little extra.
So, more of this character roughly means fewer stops. Last thing, which platform do I stand on?
Platforms are counted with this character, ban. Sanbansen is platform 3. Your ticket or the app gives you a number, and you match it to the bansen sign overhead.
So I line the number up with this character, and I am in the right spot.
That is it. line, direction, destination, train type, platform. You can cross any station in Japan now. There is your survival kit. Station, line, gate. The 4 directions, bound for, express, and platform number.
Honestly, I could walk into Shinjuku tomorrow and find my train.
That is the whole idea. 1 kanji a day, and the busiest stations in the world start to feel like home.